Load your family into the 2010 Toyota 4Runner. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a power seat, turn signal indicator mirrors, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front and side impact airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.